Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a brand new 2022 Hot Wheels model, and this is the Nissan Maxima Drift Car. From the Hot Wheels Wagons series, and this, as you can see, a new mainline wheel variation. That's right, this is the FC3 wheel. This is the first casting to use it. It's the Fraser Campbell 3-spoke wheel, and this is from the Hot Wheels Wagon series for 2022, number 4 of 5. Nice work there on the card. And then 214 of 250 for 2022. Brand new model. I'm super pumped for this new casting. Just a great look with the drift wheels on this. Very nice. M-case release, and look at that there. Nissan Maxima Drift Car. It's a wagon, born in 1983, Obama plant, Yokosuka, Kanagawa, Japan, and Nissan designed this. Say hello to our take on the Nissan Maxima station wagon race car with widened body and fender flares. This wagon was designed for drifting or time trials. This is not your grandpa's station wagon. Obviously, the whole family can road trip in these spacious wagons. Let's see here. How much space do we have in this? I'm not quite sure, but just a beautiful model. I'm glad I scored this. I found 2 of them at my local Family Dollar, but got one to crack and one to put on my wall. This is something that I never thought I would ever score, but I actually found 2 of them, so I'm really excited for that. All right, great spinning, brand new 2022 mainline wheels. Gorgeous model. Look at this. Not too bad of an open, just a little tear on the top, but look at this color. This is, I'd call this an ivory color, and gray 3-spoke wheels, the FC3 wheels, Fraser Campbell, and then MOTUL on the side. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'm not sure though. We got red and black tampos and number 68 on the side. Look at this exposed engine. It's not exposed actually, but you can still see it. Looks like it's got a little plastic piece over it, so you can actually see the engine, a transparent plastic piece, and Nissan on that front splitter there. Very cool. And this is the Maxima station wagon designed for drifting. You can see the wheels are kind of concave, and look at that. Brand new model, first edition. Very cool vehicle. And what's the interior color? Black interior, Goodyear, HW Diecast, all these different liveries on it. Just a very nice model. Such a beautiful casting. Love this. Definitely one of my new favorite models for 2022. Great looking wagon. There's the base, made in Malaysia as always. Nice sunroof. Gorgeous. And just one final look. There's the mirrors there. One final look at this awesome vehicle, at the closer details. And yeah, that's just about it. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. I got another JDM car to open up in the next video, so if anything you see in my videos interests you, or if you want to suggest a new unboxing video, any questions or any comments below, please leave them. I would love to read them. And as always, please subscribe to Sam's Diecast Showroom, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.